scuffing on the lenses, so we're going to try and fix it because I have a bit of headlight restorer. I'm going to try and use the headlight restorer and fix this lens up because I need the camera for my job. And because I can, got my Dremel. I'm going to use this to try and speed the process up. And as always, working with any kind of chemicals where appropriate, PPE. Completely removed it. Give it one more pass, and then we'll clean it and get the restore protectant on. I'll do the same with this one. This one's got scuffing and scratches on it, so we'll do it.